Hey, so here we are back in Minnesota. I haven't uploaded a video in a long time. If you're watching this because you're a subscriber, thank you. If not, here we go. So I've recently just picked up and brought it home, Larson Senza 210LX. This is gonna be the video of us power washing it, cleaning it. It is nasty. You don't wanna miss this. All right, so I am now soaked for making that video, filming everything of us cleaning it. I'll probably put that at the end here. So I hope it satisfies your satisfactions. However, let's talk a little bit about this boat. I believe Larson Senza 210 LX. That has the 5.7 350 making like 280 horsepower. Obviously it needs a lot of work, so stay tuned because we're gonna be working on it quite a bit. And yeah, I think that's about it. All right, enjoy this montage. Real dirty. All right, so all the cleaning is over. We made a lot of progress on this thing today, but unfortunately, due to these light conditions out here, I can't film too well and I can't see too well with all the dirt. So we're gonna pack up on it tomorrow. All the interior needs to be cleaned. There's something dead in the cubby cabin, and we can just assess the situation a lot better once it's clean, once we have this canopy up. But really quick, I'm gonna toss on my phone light and we'll just do a quick walk around to see a kind of an aftermath of how it looks now. Last in the water in 2006. It's been out for a long time. This side we didn't hit too hard. Really quickly pressure wash it because of the lighting. It needs 3 tires, 1 wheel. It's the old Larson Senza, but compared to the before, it's actually a boat I'd want to crawl on now and, you know, go on the lake or go on the river. Alright, so as I was saying, now the train's passed. It obviously still needs a lot of work, but it has never seen salt water. There's some scratches right there. There's some scratches right there. Really good buff and wax. There's something dead inside the cuddy cabin, I think I said. Trailer brakes needs a lot of work. If you look up inside, we gotta fabricate a new bench seat for the back, probably fix all the speakers, redo some boarding back there, a lot of cleaning in that cuddy cabin, and just get it running all together. So stay tuned. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.